When we want to draw a graph of any growing function on some interval, let's draw any growing function. For example, well-known x squared, f of x equals x squared. We see that this function is growing from 0 to plus infinity, and its derivative, as we know, from 0 to plus infinity is positive. And why is this? Let's draw the tangent line to each point. Sorry. I hope you draw it yourself. Draw the tangent line at each point. And you see that those tangent lines, their angle of those tangent line is smaller than 90 degrees and bigger than 0, and it will happen with every growing function that the angle of tangent line will be smaller than 90 degrees and bigger than 0. And what it means, derivative gives us the slope of the tangent line at the given point. This point, this point, this point, and it's also the tangent of the tangent of the angle of the tangent line. What is tangent? Tangent of alpha equals sine over cosine, or when we calculate the slope, it's rise over run. So when we draw this function, those angles of the tangent line are from 0 to 90 degrees, and it happens with every growing function. This function is going from here to here, and again you have these tangent lines. It's very bad drawing, bad. But you can, when you do it yourself, you see that the angle of tangent line is just from 0 to 90 degrees. So the derivative gives us the tangent of the angle of the tangent line at some point. We draw the tangent line to some point, then we have the tangent of its angle at this point. And tangent is sine alpha divided by cosine, and it is, let's say we have this angle, it's sine, this value here, divided by cosine, but we see that the sine and cosine here at this quarter are positive always. So when we have the angle from this quarter, the derivative will be always positive, tangent will be always positive, slope will be always positive. It's equal. So this is the answer. And when the function is decreasing, this tangent line, when you draw tangent lines, I will do it like this. You see that the tangent line and x-axis, they create the slope bigger than 90 degrees and smaller than 180 degrees. So it's again sine by cosine, but from here, oh, I have black pencil. It's sine by cosine, but from here, and it's negative because sine is positive but cosine is negative. So when the function is decreasing, it has the angle of the tangent line to the point on the interval when function is decreasing will be negative, because the angle is from 90 to 180 degrees.